What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 on deck, and it is a case video. Shout out to the good folks over at UAG. They sent your boy out a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Nice UAG packaging. I love that quality packaging. Today, what we got going on is the civilian for the Z Fold 5. It's a drop tester case. And it's got hinge protection. A lot of you guys like hinge protection, so here it is. It's like a nice design. It's in the green type colorway, almost like a military type green colorway. And it's got some Urban Armor Gear branding on the back. Slick little case right here, guys. Let's check out the back. This is the perfect companion for modern adventures. Its sleek design and rugged construction provide ultimate protection for your phone. You can read the rest for yourself. Impact resistant bumpers, hinge protection, shock absorbing core, slim low profile design, protective screen surround. I love unboxing UAG products because it's so simple. All we have to do is pull up on this tab like so, and we're out of there. And as you can see, nice finish on this thing. This green looks very dope, and I like how they did this does have like a very modern style, almost like a minimalism type style, you know, to it, and definitely giving off with the green, the fall vibes also. So this might be probably one that I'll definitely rock on a regular. When you get it out, as you can see, we got a nice amount of hinge protection here. So this is like almost like a two-piece made into a one-piece because it's connected by the hinge protection. And we got some instructions. You know I ain't gonna need those, guys. I'm a pro. Take a look. We got some cutouts. As you can see, we got a volume rocker going on right here. And look at that plus and minus. Y'all know I love them symbols. UAG branding. You can see that hinge protection slides in and out. And also, guys, the tape that they put on these UAG cases is really good, because we did a UAG case yesterday and I went to take it off, and that tape is really holding these cases on. I like that. Quality stuff here. As you can see, we got like a felt type material to protect your Z Fold while it's in the case, because some cases will mess up your device while they're in the case, but this is nice, feels really nice. So the back of your device is going to be braced up against some soft material. I'm going to go ahead and install the device into this case. I'm going to remove the tape and everything like that because I'm going to be rocking it. Okay, guys, so we got the civilian on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And I must say, it's a nice protective case, guys. Like I said, nice button press. Got a nice little opening to get your thumb in there, to get your fingerprint. I like the symbols, the volume up and down. It's bolstered up in every corner. Look how it's bolstered up for that drop absorption. Really looks good. Now on the back, we got a nice recessed camera. Your camera's all protected, guys. Look how they up in there. Protect this in case you drop this thing. Cutouts are on deck. And for a lot of you guys that like that, the hinge is protected with like almost like a faux leather type flap going on for your hinge, even though it's exposed at the top and the bottom just a little bit. UAG definitely took a different approach, because as you can see, the Z Fold is actually recessed into the case a little bit, so you get some raised lip protection even on the inner display. It's just one thing about that raised lip protection, guys. Since this is a device that has to close flat, when you close the device, because you got this raised lip protection, it closes like this. Now the case is actually closed, but because it has a raised lip, it's not letting the device close flat like Samsung designed it. I mean, you're getting raised lip protection, so I guess that's just one of the drawbacks of having raised lip protection on the Z Fold 5. You're gonna have like a little angle. It's not gonna be exactly like flush like it will be without a case on it. On the front, guys, we got a lot of raised lip protection. Very dope. Look how deep the front cover display is recessed. It's important that you protect this display at all times, because this is the display that's most likely going to be damaged if you drop it. Because if you're moving around and dropping your device, 9 times out of 10 is going to be closed. When you put your device in your pocket, it's going to be closed. So the cover display is taking all the abuse. In this case, it's nice and recessed in there, so that does help a lot. But this is the civilian from UAG for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Very protective case, not super bulky at all. I actually like the design and the look and the hinge protection a lot of you guys want. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.